The task 5 of the internship program. The task 5 is the exploratory data analysis on Indian Premier League dataset. Analysis has also been done in Power BI, as you can see over here. Firstly, we'll see the dataset. The dataset is having two basically two tables. Firstly is the deliveries and the matches. The dismissal is the dataset, the table which I have created for getting the uh, accurate results. So we'll just ignore this first. We'll just see what is the deliveries. First, we'll see what is the matches. The matches contains the cities, the dates, DL applied, match ID, player of the match, result is the seasons, which is the years, then the team 1, team 2, the toss decision, winners, umpire names, then summation of all runs and the wickets and the winner team. This is the matches dataset. Then the deliveries is the total, which is the balls, first ball, second ball, this is total number of balls. This is the batsman, name of the batsman. Then we can see over here the batsman runs, which batsman run has scored how many runs in that particular ball. Then the batting team, the bowling team, the by runs, dismissal type. Dismissal type is the uh, it's null values over. That's why I've cleaned over there in the another table. It's the wickets, by which type of wickets the player has out. So this is the extra runs, fielders, and all these things, penalties, runs, total wide runs. All these values are over here. So will and the third table, yeah, third table is the dismissal. So I just filtered out and I have mentioned only the players which have been dismissed by which all types. Dismissed which have been out. They are out by which type? By bold or by catch, as you can see in the filter tab. Sorry. Uh, Here, yeah, caught and ball, hit wicket, LBW. So all these values are here. So let's just quick into the analysis. This is the overview of the count. This is the 266 innings have been happened, 2 million overs have been done, and the 81 super overs is done in the entire IPL set. Okay, yeah. One thing is the this data set is entirely from 2007, I guess, which is the first year of IPL till the 2019. Yeah, 2019. So it is entire of 10 years IPL data set. So in this 10 years of IPL, 81 super overs have been happened. So batsmen have scored around 223 thousands of run. The by runs, the no ball runs are this much, the extra runs are this much, the wide runs are this much, and the total number of runs are over here. So quickly, let's go into the analysis. What all analysis have been done. So as you can see, these are all the seasons. If just for the filter sake, I have done this. Um, you can see if I am clicking a particular year in this. Firstly, all of these are selected, which means the values are from all the years. If I particularly select 2019, firstly I need to unselect all. Yes. Then I will be going to 2019, and I can see in the 2000 year 19, the wins, the winning team, like the number of runs which were scored by the most team is the Mumbai Indians. They have scored the maximum number of runs, and they have run the maximum number of matches. By runs, they have win 170 runs in the total series. They have win the matches by 170 runs and win the wickets matches by wickets of 23 wickets. Then the second is the Sunrisers Hyderabad. So such is the analysis. Then the count of the winners by venue, like in the mostly the matches have been happen in the MA Chitambram ground, which is the eight number of matches, and mostly there the teams have been finals have been happening over there in the 2000 year 19. Then the count of winners by loss by toss winners, like the toss winning team and the match winning team. So this is the Chennai Super Kings CSK, which has won the maximum number of matches, and based on those tosses which they have won, these are the 12 matches based on those winning on those tosses, and also they have won the match. Second is the Rajasthan, and then the Delhi Capitals and the Mumbai Indians. So if then here is the winning team, like winning team, whoever was the winning team, who they have chosen what as their toss decision. So this is the fielding. most of them have opted to field the winning team. So if I'll just click over here field, then which was the team, how many matches they have won based on the fielding type. So these were the 9 matches they have won based on the decision for toss winning as field. Then we can even change the year and have a look on the analysis. Just unselect this, and you can see in the 2016 the RCB was have made the maximum number of runs. In the 2014 Punjab has made the maximum number of runs. Then moving to the next part, here is the umpire analysis. Like we can say, in the year 2014, or in the, you can see just 2016, AK Chaudhary was the umpire, which was present in maximum number of matches as first umpire, and the CK Nandan, yeah, he was the second umpire in the maximum number of matches. Count of deal applied is the team RCB, which has maximum applied for the appeal for like we can say those for reapplying for rechecking of the wickets and the batsman is out or not. Then here is the count of the seasons and the venues. We can see like in this we can say the first is the YK. Yeah, this is the stadium in which the maximum number of matches has been played. So this was the total venues. Then the third part is the the third part is the bowlers part. Here you can see the no balls runs by the bowlers. So in the year, if I'm selecting a particular year, just a minute. Yeah, 2016. In this 2016, I'm just also listed down the dates so as to get the in which particular date which bowler had made what all wickets and what all given what all runs. So in this we can see the bowlers and no ball runs. So this is the Brett White, which has given 7 runs in the entire 2016 year, which is the no balls, and you can see that UT Yadav is also there. So this is all the analysis over here. If I am just unselecting this and particularly selecting 15th April, then I can see there was no such player who had given no ball runs. Okay, so I'll just change this, and we can see the wide runs by the no balls. So this is the wide runs given by the this particular bowler and the no ball runs. So wide runs is around 23 runs in the entire 2016, and the no ball runs is just I guess one. Okay, yes. So this is the count of the bowlers by the overs. So Chahal was the person who has given the maximum number of overs in this 2016 year, and then the I guess this is Sharma, which is the 18 overs which has given in the entire series. If I particularly selecting a particular day, then 14th of April, 14th of April, DJ Bravo 4 overs, Ishant Sharma 4 overs. So this is all the analysis. If let me just unselect. Yes, now is this is the count of no ball runs by the bowlers. No ball runs by the bowlers are these analysis. Then coming to this is the same with the batsmen. In this particular 2016, the count of batsmen is the AB de Villiers, which has made 20 runs in this all of these matches. If I am particularly selecting a particular date, then this would change accordingly. Okay, yeah, AB de Villiers 15 runs in this particular date. Then 16th, Aaron Finch 20 runs. The same is over here, batsman runs and the extra runs by the batsman. So extra runs is the which they are getting by something wide or by no ball. So these are the runs. Extra run by the batsman. Yeah, this is the same thing in this particular year. How much extra runs they are giving out. Then the last part is the analysis of players count dismissal type. Yeah, so we can say the maximum number of players which are getting out is by the catch they are getting out. Then if we'll see over here toss decision, the that's approximately 50-50. Then after in this particular match we are seeing, if we just unselect this and have a look, then the count of tosses is mostly on the fielding type. Then here is the teams which has made the runs by the teams. So here we can see this is the maximum number of runs and this is the maximum number of wickets. And here is the maximum number of maximum number of runs given by which player. So as you can see, Virat Kohli is the player which has given the maximum number of runs, and this is the zeros, this is the ones, this is the two, and this is the sixes. Around 38 sixes this person has given in this match. So this was the analysis of the IPL data set. Hope you like this video, and thank you for the opportunity given by the Spark Foundation, and thank you for watching this video.